Today I will talk about how can you select message notifications on your AnkiDroid app. Will you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app? So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now. So you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, just click here on notify win here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select here message notifications here like you say. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.